Ndomereri irerekereirio kuri nyumba cia mohoro kuhitukira mwandiki munene wa kiama gia kuko George Gibore nere yandikirwo wabici ya president, ministry ogima wa mwiri, ministry oruti wira na anyiti itemi matiganite yugite kiama giki kigeretie gukinyira gutukungi maigwa ta wabici ya president, bunge ya senate, ministry ogima wa mwiri ro hamwe na bunge na njira ya marua, no mothe ni maringite ihiga amu matire mona macokio riu makiuga ciigana ni ciigana. Maya mokete thutha wa Arigitani gutabania mirurungano mweri umwe muhituku magitetia guthutukanio hoka ni gukinyaniria motungata ma urigitani rungu rwa mubango wa SHA ona thengia wao gukorwo mandikithitio ni kanjo ya Arigitani. Riu mahete thirikari thikũ 14 gukinyaniria mendekithie mao maria ni hamwe na gwitikirio kurigita muingi rungu rwa mubango mweru wa marihi ma urigitani wa SHA, moritie bodi ya SHA kumacokeria mahinya mao ma mwanya makiria maria mohigiriire maundu-ini matiganite ta guthenja, na oho ni moritie thirikari gwikirira na kurutithia wira uiguano wa gucokereria wira-ini uria mekiranire ngirimiti mwaka muhituku.
There's no way the president can break the law. There are people who are doing business and we have talked about extortion, whereby if today I'm requesting you, I'm having my private facility and you are working somewhere and I don't have a medical officer there and I have to use your registration number to do a service, then that's to mean I pay you. That is extortion. And that is what we call that this is irregularized corruption in the health system.
We do not have an end to the impunity in the Social Health Authority. And we do not have full implementation of the Return to Work Agreement of 2024. All the clinic officers under the 47 counties, under the Ministry of Health, under Kenyatta National Hospital, under KUTRH, under Madhari Hospital, under MTRH shall proceed on strike as from the midnight of 19th.
Ona kuri o Arigitani aya maugite ni mehariria kwaranira na anyiti itemi matiganite niguo gwetha kihonia mwira thikũ ici 14 ikunjukite. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waithira wa Nduati.